jumping jacks. This is where you basically start in sort of a position of attention and then you jump, opening up, spreading out your feet, landing on your feet. And as you're jumping and spreading out your feet to land on your feet, your arms and your hands are going above your head. If you have the requisite mobility, you can try to clap above your head while keeping your arms straight and then bring it back down. Oftentimes, if we do a dynamic warm up with this movement or a workout with this movement, we can start out where we go a little bit slower and we don't go as far. And then slowly through the movement, we'll find a little bit more mobility and the ability to go a little bit further in that jumping jack.